Hey guys, my YouTube channel, Elevate is going up, and today I have a nice dinner made from home. I have 2 chicken sandwiches and a side of fries. Let's take a look at it. Got mayonnaise and barbecue on it and some lettuce. Came nice out of the toaster oven. Then some are these waffle fries and some are classic French fries. So now, let's take a bite of it. Kind of tastes like a McChicken from McDonald's. Now I have the French fries. Kind of tastes like a chicken from McDonald's. Now I'll do the waffle fries. To drink, we have a nice, refreshing lemonade. So that concludes my video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and that'll be it. Take care.